What is going on, guys? Top to the morning to you guys. And today I'm going to my boy Ray's house. So yeah, right now I'm pulling the Z out. I feel bad for my neighbors because it's like 7:30 in the morning. I've been at home for like 3 days. Haven't started the Z at all. Last time I drove it was like 4 days ago. 3, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna pull it out and start this thing because we're gonna install the BC Coilovers finally. I'll push this thing out real quick. Trying to push it on my foot while I'm inside. That way I can go out. Here, it's almost there. Come on. I just don't want to wake my parents up. Alright. Literally, my freaking garage, literally past that wall, is my parents' restroom and their room. So I'd feel very, very bad if I were to wake them up. That would really, really suck. Because, yeah, they hear this car very loud and clear whenever I turn it on in the mornings. They really hate my exhaust. Especially because it's a Tome. Y'all know how loud these things can really get. I think I'm gonna try to install these too. These should take like 5 minutes, like 3 minutes to install, especially since we're lifting the car. Press the button. Yeah, let's close that up. All right, I'm gonna sit you guys down right here. I can hear this cold start. This is on a Sunday, so everyone's home. Feel bad for them. I forgot I needed a pump E. This sucks. I am like so fucking tired. I'm running on like 0 hours of sleep. I literally haven't slept all night. Especially, main reason why is because I've been sleeping for like 3 days straight. Like I said, I'm sick as hell. Allergies really kicked my ass this year, or this season, should I say? That yeah, I took 3 days off of work. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop wasting y'all time. I'll see you guys whenever I'm at Ray's. And we're installing these BC Coilovers. These things are gonna feel a lot better than these Racelands. Thing I did not fucking mention. I do not know if you can see it on camera, but my fucking windshield is fucked. It was a lot worse. I tried to fix it with that stuff you put on that like makes it look invisible. It doesn't really fix it, but it just pretty much makes it look like it's gone. It's just like some liquid that turns hard and it's clear. But I'm pretty sure you guys can't see it, but yeah, my windshield broke again. As you guys know, I had it done before, and the reason why I went with carbon fiber B-pillars before I went back to OEM was because the guy who did it fucking broke them. Because when you replace these windshields, for those of you who don't know, you'd have to take off the A-pillars and the B-pillars. He broke both my A-pillars and both my B-pillars, and the sealant you use to install these windshields, yeah, he pretty much put them on the B-pillars and stuck it on there. That's why in the video of me installing the B-pillars, you see that residue that I have to take off, because yeah, that was the freaking glue, or whatever you want to call it. Guys, I legit can't even go in his freaking driveway. I think it's after we fix the exhaust, because the mid pipe doesn't have flex anymore. I think that's why. because before I was able to. Damn, his truck is loud. But yeah, we're just gonna do it outside in his driveway. We're just gonna do one wheel at a time. That boy Ray took out the front. I found some fucking bullshit. This bushing is out of there. Now we're doing the rear for this side. Front's out. All we gotta do is put the new one in. Rear is about to be out. All we gotta do is the top bolts and we're good. I wouldn't know hard work if it saved my life, bro. I was struggling. I tried an 11, a 12, a 13, a 10. Back to those other ones. Ray was like, it's a fucking 12. He just took it out first try. This guy.
Gonna run you.
He's gonna run me the money though. Alright guys, so we installed the BC coilovers on the driver's side of the car. And as you see, or I don't know if you can, I can't really see how you guys can see because the sun's hitting me. But basically it's the same as I had them. Basically Marley was running the same shit, so shout out to her. If you didn't even notice, we're putting the struts back on like I said I was like, might as well bring these on, do it real quick since we're gonna take the wheel off. Shout out to Ray, because I ain't doing shit basically. I said I was gonna help him, but yeah, your boy out here can't even do shit right. But yeah, these are gonna be up for sale. After finding this out, I'm probably gonna sell them for real cheap, considering that bushing is out. All right, guys, so we installed the coilovers. Fronts, I want to say this side looks a bit lower than the other, if you ask me. By a hair, maybe. Yeah, by a hair, but I'm thinking could be the way the car's sitting concrete wise, because I do know I measured them before putting them in and they were the same. So yeah, I'm assuming it's because of that, but yeah, car sitting, struts are back on for the hood, so I could take this latch off when I get home. But yeah guys, BC coilovers installed. I'll be recording on the way home just so I can show you guys how it feels. Alright guys, so far I'm loving how stiff these things are. Oh my god, there's a lot less body roll on the fucking car now. What in the hell? No, this car feels way stiffer now. Way better, way better. I definitely feel the quality difference from the Racelands and BC coilovers. If you guys have the money to invest into BC coilovers or a better quality in coilovers, I highly recommend it. In my opinion, if you guys have the money, get yourself some high quality coilovers. You're definitely gonna not regret it. It's definitely worth the money. But if you are on a budget, Raceland or whatever cheap coilovers you find that are good quality, definitely go for it. I highly recommend you guys, if you're doing a quality, if you're looking for, I highly recommend Raceland. If you guys have a 370Z, I know Ray, I convinced Ray. I don't know if you saw the Cobalt in the clips before, but yeah, that car, he put it on Raceland coilovers and he likes it. That car's like a budget build for him. That's why he got him. He got the, I think he paid 400 bucks for his coilover setup. I paid around the same price. I think I paid like almost 500 for mine. So yeah, if you're looking for cheap coilovers that are good, they're not too bad, definitely if you're looking for a budget build coilover setup, Raceland's really good. I don't know the other cheap brands out there, but Raceland gives you warranty, lifetime warranty, and honestly, the quality is pretty good if you ask me. This isn't a sponsorship or anything. Yeah, if you guys can afford a high-end coilover, I would recommend to do it. And even then, if you don't have the money for it, I'd recommend to save for it. Honestly, that's what I think I should have done, but I mean, I just wanted to lower the car and do stuff really quickly. Guys, this is also a lesson. Take your time on your builds. Don't rush into them. Do them perfectly. You know, you want your shit looking nice and perfect. Take your time on them. If you do them rushed, you're gonna end up going back like I did and changing some stuff up. So yeah, y'all go ahead and do that. If you guys don't have the money, I recommend you to just save up and get a higher quality coilover. Or if you guys are doing a budget build, like just trying to put a car together, cheap parts, and so forth, yeah, I'd recommend some nice coilovers like Racelands. They're cheap, reliable, a lifetime warranty, so if anything happens, you can just take them right back and they'll send you a new pair. That is going to be the end of this video. Please leave a like, share the video. If you did not like the video, give it a thumbs down, it's fine. But if you do give it a thumbs down, in the comments down below, tell me what you did not like about the video and tell me how I can make it better for you to enjoy and watch. And I will try my best to improve on that. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to my boy Ray for helping me install these. Shout out to my girl Marley. I appreciate you selling me these coilovers. I love them already. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video is probably going to be Stefan's parts that I've been waiting on for like months now. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna like next video. Next video is gonna be hyped as fuck. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.